symptoms are a lot like the piercing sound produced by a smoke alarm. The smoke is an indication of something far more serious, that being the fire. The same thing goes with headaches and lower back pain. The aches and pains are not the problems in and of themselves. They're a sign or a symptom of a far more serious problem. People choose to see the chiropractor usually because of one of 4 different reasons. Number 1 is to have their symptoms treated or their diseases cured. Number 2, to have their symptoms and diseases prevented. Number 3 is to maximize the unfolding of their genetic potential or their offspring's genetic potential. And 4, and finally, and the reason that are the which resonates most with my outlook and goals, objectives for patient care, is to simply allow their bodies to work at maximum or optimal efficiency. When we tap into your body's resilience through well-timed, specific spinal adjustments, the body works better and can heal many of its ailments on its own without you even having to think about it, which in turn automatically shut off so they don't get to the level of conscious awareness many of your body's potential smoke alarms. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Prior Lake Spinal Care, 952-226-7222, or email us at info@priorlakespinalcare.com.